In this video we will create a cool effect. Whenever we click on a button, it will change color for a moment and then return to normal. This effect is simple to create and looks really cool. For this example we created 4 buttons and started a new project. To get started, I've already inserted the sounds I want for the effect into the project. Let's then assign a function to the first button and add our sound effect. Now we want the button to turn colored when we click on it. I will set a green color for the button whenever I click on it. I will only change the color of face 4, which is the face facing the screen. Let's save and do a first test. If everything goes well, our button should turn green when we click on it. Now for the effect to happen, we need to set a small delay and then return the button's color to normal. A delay of 200 milliseconds should be enough. Let's now return to the original color. It's ready. We can save it and watch the magic happen. Now that everything works, let's assign the same function to all the other buttons. Now we have a super cool effect that is really easy to do.